You see, the whole putting your money in the bank routine might seem like the safe and sensible thing to do. But what if I told you there's a more exciting option out there that is safe and can make you more rich by 2028? Think about it for a moment. You don't want your money to lose its value, right? Imagine you have $1,000 today, and by 2028, it becomes $900. That's what keeping your money in the bank will do. But guess what? There's a better option. There are 3 assets you can invest in that can bring you bigger returns than that dusty old bank account. Robert Kiyosaki, the genius behind Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and a millionaire himself, isn't exactly rooting for the bank money marathon. Why let your hard-earned cash just sit around in a vault when it could be out there working hard for you, bringing in those delicious profits? The financial world is buzzing with warnings of a possible stock market crash, and Robert Kiyosaki is sounding the alarm. Big-time investors are also getting ready for potential economic downturn, evident in the significant drops in key indices like the S&P 500 and NASDAQ this year. Even the collapse of major banks points to the imminent economic crash that is approaching. But don't fret. In this video, we're not here to add to your worries. Instead, we've got 3 fantastic investment ideas that could set you up for a much brighter financial future. They can even turn you into a millionaire before 2028. These are assets Robert Kiyosaki invests in and strongly recommends for everyone. So let's jump right into these opportunities that might be your ticket to financial success. Number 1, precious metals. Many people may not see investing in precious metals like gold, silver, and platinum as an option because of the various risks involved with owning these tangible assets. However, Kiyosaki believes that they are the real assets. The value of precious metals like gold and silver stays strong even when the economy is shaky. This is not just what he believes, but it's the reality. Over the years, these precious metals have retained their values through economic downturns, and most times even become more precious while other assets face a decline. Robert Kiyosaki is expecting these metals to shine even brighter in the coming years. That is why he recommends it to everyone who wants a financial future that is not affected by every market downturn. If you're not interested in hoarding physical gold and silver, there is an alternative option: investing in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that specifically target these metals. While recent declines have occurred, the increasing inflation rate could lead to higher demand for these valuable metals, potentially resulting in returns for investors. Number 2, real estate. In 2011, Kiyosaki hit the jackpot by accumulating vast riches. Instead of playing it safe, he boldly borrowed an astounding $300 million to invest in prime real estate throughout the Southwest. It's a testament to his unwavering belief in seizing opportunities during times of crisis. Kiyosaki's investment philosophy is crystal clear. He's all about tangible, real assets. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs don't even register on his radar. He prefers to steer clear of what he calls paper assets. For him, the key to financial growth is to think outside the box and explore unconventional investment avenues. Kiyosaki's financial strategy is all about making your money work for you, especially when preparing for an economic downturn. He has a solid game plan for real estate that's quite unique. Instead of quickly flipping houses, which can come with hefty tax implications, Robert Kiyosaki opts for a different approach. He acquires apartment buildings and gradually increases their value over time. This not only boosts their overall worth, but also helps him avoid the tax consequences linked to rapid property flipping. His secret sauce involves refinancing his real estate holdings, tapping into tax-free money, and unlocking numerous benefits. These include tax breaks like appreciation, depreciation, and amortization, all of which increase the profitability of his investments. This approach to investing in real estate is something you can also take. Robert Kiyosaki believes cash flow should be your primary focus when investing in real estate. So you should acquire properties that generate cash flow and take advantage of the tax incentives. It's not only Robert Kiyosaki who has built wealth through investing in real estate. There are a ton of others. Stephen Ross is a billionaire with a net worth of about $12 billion and has been featured on the Forbes list of billionaires for years. He was able to grow his finances by investing in residential real estate, He's now the chairman of a leading real estate company that manages hundreds of properties. Of course, you won't start as the chairman of a leading real estate company, but you can always get the best from real estate, no matter your level. If getting a property is too expensive, you can invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts. This allows you to invest in real estate companies that directly handle the property's purchase and management. As you get your dividends, put it back into your investment to keep your portfolio growing. Number 3, oil. Robert Kiyosaki's investment strategy doesn't stop at real estate. He's also taken the game higher and is investing in something unique. Rather than investing in oil stocks, he goes straight to the source, investing directly in oil in the ground. This unique approach comes with a significant tax advantage, adding another layer of financial gains to his portfolio. Inflation and economic crises can wreak havoc on various assets, leading to long-term losses. That's why Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of choosing assets that can weather the storm and hedge against market volatility. Oil is one such asset. It has been tested and trusted, and without any doubt, you can be certain that investing in it gives you a hedge against certain market conditions. He posted this on social media last year. I do not invest in oil companies such as Mobil or Exxon. I invest directly into oil wells. Higher risk for higher returns. Tax breaks are fantastic. 2 wells came in last week as oil went from $70 to $130. Rich get richer, but poor suffer. Robert Kiyosaki owns several oil wells and oil drilling operations in Texas, Oklahoma, and Louisiana. This approach to investing in this asset gives a lot of benefits, and that's why Robert Kiyosaki recommends it for everyone who wants to give their money enough work to do for them. The United States federal government provides tax incentives for domestic oil and gas. The incentive can vary from a 30% ROI in the first year to about 15% of gross annual income being tax-free. In fact, it is believed that the energy industry enjoys the best privileges from the government. This is why investors who want to diversify their portfolios and benefit from opportunities choose this industry. As an average person, one of the simplest ways for you to benefit from investing in oil is through buying the stocks of drilling companies. Taking charge of your financial life is your responsibility. While some assets have become empty and unreliable during economic crises, there are others that you can rely absolutely on during the hard times. So instead of leaving your money idle in the bank, you can put it into any of these assets and watch how your investments grow despite everything happening in the economy. And there you have it. Think about investing in these 3 things which Robert Kiyosaki recommends and watch your money grow huge by 2028. If you haven't already, check out other videos on Investor Broadcast that will help you with financial literacy and make better financial choices. See you in the next video.